Hello friends, today I came to Gansak Used Car Complex. Gansak Used Car Complex is located in Incheon, and this is very close to our Incheon office. This is one of the biggest used car trading complex which is located in Incheon. Today I came here to review a very cheap and affordable compact SUV from Kia company. This is a 2011 Kia Sportage R 2WD. This car has been driven for 130 kilometers, but the car is in a very good condition. Anybody who wish to drive a compact SUV with a very great fuel efficiency, this is for you, because this car comes with a diesel engine and it has one of the less fuel consumption. So if you want to enjoy the driving in highway and also in the city with a very low fuel, this is for you. So let's walk throughout the exterior and interior of this car to show you the different parts. And I'm gonna say sorry for the location of recording video. In order to move this car out in a better location to record the video for you, I have to move at least 7 to 8 cars. That's unfortunately impossible for me, so I'm just going to show you here. I hope to record good shots in order to show you the car, and anybody who is interested to have this car, please feel free to contact me. As you can see, this car comes in a very brightening gray color. The exteriors of this car is very clean. It doesn't have any scratches or dent. It has very beautiful wheels, and the tires have enough treads, so you don't need to immediately replace them. You are seeing the car from backside. Unfortunately, I cannot record a good video better than this shot. Let's see the trunk. As you can see, it has a very spacious trunk, and it's very clean. Let's show you inside the car. As you can see, it comes with leather seats. Interiors is very clean, no scratches. It has been kept very well. Let me show you the back seats. As you can see, the seats are very clean without any kind of scratches. I just got inside the car. As you can see, this car has a navigation and a black box with also a high pass. It has basic options like folding rear mirror. Let's put it in R. Yeah, unfortunately, because it's very close to the wall, you cannot see the back of the car from the rear camera. There is no shock when I put it on D, and also in R. The engine sound is very good. It has heated seat for driver seats and also for front passenger. I have checked all the buttons related to different options on the steering. The steering of this car is very smooth, as you can see. All the options are functioning well. Totally, this car is in a very good condition. But okay friends, we reviewed the car very shortly. Unfortunately, due to the bad location, I couldn't do a test drive. This is a 2011 Kia Sportage R two-wheel drive. This car has been driven for 135,330 kilometers just. The car is in a very good condition. This car is very good for those who want to drive it inside the city and for those who want to enjoy driving in highways. The Kia Sportage R 2WD comes with a diesel engine. Diesel engine has a very good fuel efficiency. So if you want to have this car, please feel free to contact me. Here in First Motors, we always try to find best cars with very cheap prices to present for you. So if you want to buy this car or any other cars, feel free to contact me. We will try to find very good cars, reliable cars with a very good prices. Thank you so much for watching.